to Episode 7, The Web Thinker's Path of Web Thinking. Today, we explore the 7 threads, the core system that shapes how your mind works, a complete system for understanding the mind. In web thinking, the 7 threads are the fundamental components of the inner web, the forces that shape your thoughts, emotions, identity, and creativity. Each thread is both a mental function and a philosophical principle. Together, they form a complete map of the mind. The 7 threads are memory, emotion, intuition, logic, identity, imagination, and connection. This episode introduces these threads as the foundation of the web thinker's worldview, a way of understanding yourself not as a single line of thought, but as a living network of meaning. Share, like, and subscribe. Let's begin. Each thread plays a unique role in the architecture of your mind. Together, they create the patterns that define who you are. Memory, the thread of roots, everything you've lived, learned, and stored. Memory anchors your web and shapes your expectations. Emotion, the thread of vibration, the movement of feeling through your inner world. Emotion signals what matters and guides your attention. Intuition, the thread of sensitivity, the ability to sense patterns before they become clear. Intuition connects distant threads instantly. Logic, the thread of structure, the ability to organize, analyze, and understand. Logic gives shape to thought and clarity to complexity. Identity, the thread of center, the sense of self at the core of the web. Identity determines which threads matter most. Imagination, the thread of expansion, the ability to create, envision, and explore possibilities. Imagination stretches the web into new territory. Connection, the thread of meaning, the linking of ideas, people, memories, and experiences. Connection transforms isolated thoughts into insight. These 7 threads are always interacting, crossing, vibrating, strengthening, weakening, and reshaping one another. A change in one thread affects the entire web. This is the essence of the web thinker's path, to understand the mind as a system of relationships, not isolated parts. The 7 threads form the blueprint of your inner world. They explain how you think, how you feel, how you grow, and how you make meaning. When you understand these threads, you begin to understand yourself, not as a collection of thoughts, but as a living web of experiences, emotions, memories, and possibilities. Episode 7 ends with a shift from philosophy to practice. In the next episode, we shall explore how to use these threads, the method of many threads, a practical way to solve problems through web thinking. Join me in Episode 8 as we explore and navigate the method of many threads, a practical way to solve problems through web thinking. Subscribe, share, and like.